Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a very specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and your customer calls you and says, please call me back later on. You can call me back on this number and it starts with the following prefix 0907. So do you know which network that is? Or you don't know and you have to search it on Google. So what if you could just have everything in one system here? So on CouponBet we have a tool which we call the prefix checker, and we will show you right away. So first of all, to answer that question, we can very quickly search for it. You go log in on CouponBet, go to tools, and in tools you have to scroll all down to the bottom. You can see here the provider prefix checker for every telecom provider. And in here we can answer the question, which is, what is the prefix? We just have to enter it, or you can scroll down. If you scroll down, you will see it right away. Let's scroll down here. You can see here 0907. It's a smart number, so 0907, and there you are. So this is a smart prefix. So if you need to call your customer, you can just use your smart number so you can avoid any additional cost. This tool is really designed to help you organize your travel agency and get you and your agents focused on helping your customer instead of searching on the screen and not looking at the customer. So the more faster you can find information and the easier it is for you, better for you, and a better customer experience. Meaning that your customer will probably recommend you because there's more attention on the customer instead of watching a screen. So this tool is really designed to help you organize your travel agency. And if you like this tool as well and you want to have access to this, just go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.